What if I told you that YouTube secretly placed an artificial intelligence tool directly inside your channel? Not a third-party app, not a paid subscription, not something you have to download. It is sitting right there inside your YouTube studio. Free, right now, waiting for you to open it. And here is the part that will shock you. 20 million creators are already using it, growing faster, making smarter videos, getting more views, while the rest of us were scrolling for answers on Google.
Stay with me until the end of this video, because by the time we are done, you will never plan a YouTube video the same way again.
And here is exactly what we are covering today. First, I'm going to show you the exact AI tool YouTube placed inside your studio and how to find it in under 30 seconds. Second, you will discover how YouTube now generates 9 custom video ideas, specifically for your channel every single day. Third, I will show you how to know if your video idea will perform before you film a single second of footage. Fourth, you will learn how to test your titles and thumbnails automatically and let YouTube pick the winner for you. Fifth, I will reveal the one feature nobody is talking about that shows you what your audience will search for next week before the trend even. Every blueprint has a starting point. And this one starts inside a place you already visit every single day, your YouTube Studio dashboard. This is part 1 of your blueprint, the hidden artificial intelligence tool that 20 million creators are already using to grow faster than everyone else. Let us find it right now. Open your browser and go to studio.youtube.com. Make sure you are on desktop, not your phone, not a tablet, desktop only, because the mobile app does not give you access to these artificial intelligence features. Everything we are doing today lives on the desktop version only. Now look at your dashboard. On the left sidebar, you will see a small icon or search area labeled Ask Studio. Click it. What opens is not what most people expect. It is not a settings panel. It is not another analytics chart. It is a conversation. A real conversation with an artificial intelligence that already knows everything about your channel, your subscribers, your watch time, your best performing videos, your worst performing videos, your audience demographics, your peak engagement times, all of it. Already loaded, already analyzed, already waiting for your first question. Now here is where most creators make their first mistake. They open Ask Studio and they do not know what to ask. So let me give you the 5 questions that will change how you run your channel from this moment forward. Question 1. Type this exactly. Which of my videos held viewers the longest this month? Ask Studio will pull your real retention data and show you your strongest content. This tells you what format your audience actually loves, not what you think they love, what the data proves they love. Question 2. What video should I make next, based on my current audience behavior? This is the question that replaces every hour you ever spent guessing your next video topic. Ask Studio analyzes your audience patterns and gives you a direction based on what your specific viewers are hungry for right now. Question 3. Which thumbnail style gets me the highest click-through rate? This single answer can double your views overnight without changing anything about your content quality. Question 4. What are my viewers asking most in the comments section? This reveals your next 10 video topics, hiding in plain sight inside your own comment section. Question 5. When is my audience most active and when should I upload? No more guessing about upload times. No more following generic advice about posting on Tuesday evenings. Your audience has a schedule. Ask Studio knows exactly what it is. Now here is the most important thing to understand about Ask Studio. Every answer it gives you is built from your data specifically, not from a channel with 1 million subscribers, not from a channel in a different niche. Your channel, your audience, your numbers. This is what makes it fundamentally different from asking ChatGPT or any other general artificial intelligence tool. Those tools give you generic YouTube advice. Ask Studio gives you your YouTube answer. Save every answer. Ask Studio gives you in a notes document today. Because those answers are the foundation of your entire content strategy from this point forward. Part 2 of your blueprint. And this one solves a problem every single creator faces At some point, you sit down to plan your next video. Your mind goes completely blank. So you open Google, you scroll competitors, you guess, you hope, you waste hours. That cycle ends today. Inside your YouTube studio, there is a tab that most creators scroll straight past without even noticing it exists. It is called the Inspiration tab. And once you see what it does, you will never plan a video without it again. Here is how to find it right now. Go to YouTube Studio on your desktop. Click Content in the left sidebar. Look at the very top of that page. You will see the Inspiration tab sitting there. Click it. 9 video ideas appear on your screen immediately. Now stop for a moment and think about what you are actually looking at. These are not ideas pulled from a random trending topics database. These are not ideas that work for every channel on the platform. These are not ideas generated by a general artificial intelligence that knows nothing about your audience. Every single one of those 9 ideas was built from your channel data, your subscriber behavior, your audience watch patterns, your niche, your viewers, your specific content history. YouTube looked at everything your audience has been watching and searching. It analyzed what topics are rising in your specific niche right now. And it generated 9 ideas that have the highest chance of performing well, specifically on your channel. But here is where it gets even better. Click on any one of those 9 ideas. YouTube does something that no other idea generator on the planet does. It tells you exactly why that idea will work for your channel. It explains what your audience has been searching for lately. It shows you why this topic is trending with your specific viewers right now. It gives you the reasoning behind the recommendation. Not just what to make, but why to make it for your audience specifically. And if an idea will not perform well on your channel, YouTube tells you that too. Before you waste 2 days scripting and filming something nobody was going to watch. Now here is the strategy that makes this tool twice as powerful. After you generate your 9 ideas, do not just pick one randomly. Follow these exact 3 steps. Step 1. Read all 9 ideas carefully. Highlight the 2 that feel most relevant to your current niche and audience. Step 2. Go back to Ask Studio. Type this exact question. Which of these 2 video ideas will perform better for my current audience? Then paste both idea titles below it. Ask Studio will cross-reference both ideas against your real channel analytics. It will tell you which one your specific audience is more likely to watch, which one has stronger search potential, which one to make first. Step 3. Once Ask Studio confirms your winning idea, check the predictive performance score on it. We will cover that in the next part. But for now, just know this. You just went from sitting in a room with a blank mind and zero direction to having a data-backed video idea validated by 2 separate artificial intelligence tools inside YouTube Studio in under 5 minutes, for free, right now. This is what separates the creators who grow from the creators who give up. Not talent, not equipment, not budget, data, direction, and a system. Part 3, and this one saves you something more valuable than money. It saves you time. Every creator knows this feeling. You spend 2 days writing a script, recording, editing, designing a thumbnail, uploading with full excitement, 12 views in the first week. That feeling stops more channels from growing than anything else. But what if you could know before filming whether that video would perform or completely flop? Not a guess, not a feeling, actual data. Before you film a single second. That is exactly what the predictive performance panel does. Here is how it works. Every video idea you consider gets assigned a potential score by YouTube. This score combines 2 things: your audience past behavior and current platform trend data in your specific niche. High score, your audience wants this content right now. Make that video immediately. Low score, the topic has peaked or your audience has no interest. Skip it. Move to the next idea. Here is how to use it right now. Go back to your Inspiration tab. Click your top 2 ideas from part 2. Check the potential score on each one. Compare them side by side. The idea with the higher score combined with the Ask Studio confirmation from part 1, that is your next video. Not a guess. A data-backed decision. Now, one important warning. Do not make a low-score video just because you personally love the idea. Your preference and your audience preference are 2 different things. Right now, trust the score. Let the data lead. Because the creators growing fastest on YouTube in 2026 are not the most talented ones. They are the ones making decisions based on data, while everyone else is still guessing. That advantage is now yours. Part 4. And this one directly increases your views without changing anything about your content. Here is the truth about YouTube. You can make the best video of your life, but if the title is wrong or the thumbnail does not stop the scroll, nobody clicks, nobody watches, nobody grows. The problem was always this. How do you know which title works best? How do you know which thumbnail gets clicked? Before it is too late to change it. YouTube just solved this completely. They gave every creator the ability to A/B test titles and thumbnails directly inside YouTube Studio for free. Here is exactly how it works. When you upload your next video, prepare 2 thumbnail versions in advance. Prepare 2 title versions. Upload both at the same time. YouTube shows each version to a small slice of your audience in the first few hours after uploading. It measures which combination makes people click and watch longer. Then it automatically pushes the winning version to everyone else. Your subscribers, search, suggested, the entire platform. One creator tested this on their very first upload and saw 40% more views on day 1, just from finding the right title and thumbnail pairing. Previously, this was only available to massive channels using expensive third-party tools like TubeBuddy. Now it is completely free inside your own YouTube Studio dashboard. Here is your action step right now. Before your next upload, prepare 2 versions of your thumbnail in Canva. Change one element between them, try a different expression on one, try a different text color on the other. Small changes, big difference. Prepare 2 title versions. Same topic, different angle. Let YouTube run the test. Let the data pick the winner. You focus on making great content. YouTube handles the optimization. That is the partnership that grows channels faster than anything else in 2026. Part 5. And this is the one nobody is talking about. Every tool we covered so far tells you what is working right now, but this one tells you what will work next week. It is called audience intent. Here is what makes it different from everything else. Most trend tools show you what people are searching for today. By the time you make that video, the trend has already peaked. Your video arrives too late. The opportunity is gone. Audience intent works differently. It analyzes search patterns before they become trends. 7 days before a topic peaks, YouTube shows you it is coming. That means you film it today, you upload it tomorrow. And by the time everyone else notices the trend, your video is already ranking. Here is exactly how to use it. Open your Inspiration tab. Look for the 7-day trend forecast section at the top. Find the topic rising fast. Check its predictive performance score. If the score is high, make that video immediately. Do not wait. Do not overthink it. The window is 7 days. This is the one feature that levels the playing field completely. A channel with 34 subscribers can outrank a channel with 34,000. Not by being bigger, by being earlier. That is your real advantage. Use it on every single upload from today forward.
Till. Every creator who watches this video and actually opens YouTube Studio today is already ahead of 90% of channels on this platform. Subscribe to Insight Tech Daily for a brand new blueprint every single week. Drop in the comments right now, which tool are you opening first today?